XRP holders, it's officially happening. You might be questioning, what exactly is it? Well, we're going to be answering that in this video. We're going to be going over a lot of information as well, but it feels as though the tide has shifted. Everything is changing around XRP, the XRPL, and just the entire community in crypto. And I think that this is very surprising at this current moment in time because we have been talking about something like this happening for years, and it's finally happening. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. So for years, I basically said that XRP is going to take over. It feels as though XRP has officially taken over. It's number 3 on the top 100 list, obviously. Fully diluted value, by the way, 252 billion. So it's getting very close to Ethereum's market cap. But one thing that to me is very surprising about XRP is not just the price performance. Listen, XRP has done, tremendously well over the last couple months. It continues to shine. But what's surprising to me is just how many people have shifted. And I'm talking about, we're not just talking about like Bitcoin maxis shifting bullish on XRP. We're not talking about Ethereum maxis flipping bullish on XRP. We're talking about even Solana maxis flipping bullish on XRP. The entire crypto community has now shifted to becoming very bullish on XRP. And I just find this crazy because this is something that we have been talking about happening for a while now. There's always that motto or that saying that goes around when it comes to this space. And it's like, a new king will be crowned. Basically, addressing that Bitcoin will eventually be flipped at some point in time. Now, I don't think that, we're going to see Bitcoin flipped this year. Would be crazy to see it. It is something that is possible. But I do believe that, listen, a king will be crowned. When it comes to XRP, though, one sector in this space, aka, DeFi, if we actually go to the categories here and we go to DeFi, DeFi is one of the biggest categories by overall market cap of crypto. Trading volume around it is massive. And as we really look at a lot of these projects that are tied back, to DeFi, they don't even include Ethereum on here, right? Ethereum is like one of the biggest players around the DeFi market, and it's not even listed on here. XRP is not even listed on here. But as we look at the DeFi market, the reason why I mentioned the DeFi market is because XRP is technically a king in the DeFi realm. A lot of people think I'm crazy for saying that, but we're going to come back to that comment here in a second because we have to address it. We have to address how XRP is essentially the king of DeFi. But let's start off with a few things. Let's start off with the fact that XRP could very well be very close to having a much larger expansion on the chart. Right now, XRP, if we actually look at some of these exchanges, it's trading at about roughly $2.52. On some exchanges like Upbit, it's actually trading at about roughly, $2.58. But for the most part, like the average here is like about $2.51, $2.52. This is very important to focus on because we are watching that $2.60 level, which we got very close to yesterday. We're watching that level because if we actually look at here from Ali_charts, we could actually see the XRP heat map. And we have a lot of XRP shorts were opened at $2.60, creating a substantial liquidation zone that market makers could soon actually target. If we do target that level, okay, there is 95.87 billion in terms of liquidation leverage at $2.61.5. That means if we hit that level, we could quickly see a push to almost $2.70 just off of those liquidations alone. And you might say, Nick, you're crazy, but if we go over here, we can see XRP moved from $2.48 to $2.55 in 15 minutes. That is a 7-cent move or in terms of market cap, $4 billion. Now, Chad Steingruber posted this. But you got to remember, right? This was off spot volume as well, mixed with liquidations. Liquidations could quickly cascade. And when I say that, I mean that when we have these zones targeted from market makers, much larger whales, right? The big players, this could quickly snowball into a move to $3 plus. And from that point on, I do think that we'll most likely see a lot of FOMO hitting the market that would push XRP to basically a new all-time high. And a lot of people think I'm crazy for saying that as well, but if we actually look at just the last month, right, there has been some moves in here where it's almost like a dollar move in general. I mean, even if we look on the 26th, XRP was trading at $1.40, right? By the 2nd of December, it was trading at $2.70. And I know for a fact that if we actually look at the charts here, in one candle, right, one candle body, from the 24th to roughly like, the 1st, we went from $1.30 all the way up to like $2.34, a gain of over $1.04. So if we're thinking about that, all right, that means that from here to get to a new all-time high, it would be roughly like $1.30 because we're going off of that $3.84 all-time high. That could happen if we have FOMO and liquidation events happening in this space. But even Cointelegraph is now talking about XRP almost every single day. Cointelegraph ignored XRP for years while they just continued to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and now they cannot stop talking about XRP. But it's okay, I don't blame them. Listen, the growth of XRP has been nothing short of incredible. If we go over here, we have, as 2025 has kicked off with roller coasting prices for crypto's top assets, the amount of holders or hodlers have fluctuated wildly since the new year. And if we actually look at XRP, we have plus 58,000 wallets. Guys, this is more than Cardano, Dogecoin, Chainlink. This is an insane amount of new wallets that are basically becoming, hodlers. They want to hold it. I mean, this is crazy to see, right? And again, I think that a lot of these new wallets as well is because of going back to the DeFi, discussion. XRP is the king of DeFi. Why? Let's go over here to the XRP ledger. Decentralized exchange. The XRP ledger has possibly the world's oldest decentralized exchange, sometimes abbreviated DEX, operating continuously since the XRP ledger's launch in 2012. The exchange allows users to buy and sell tokens for XRP or other tokens with minimal fees charged to the network itself, not paid out to any party. And this is something that I want you all to understand. When we go over to DeFi Llama, right? And if we're looking at DeFi Llama and we go to the chains, Ethereum is number one, right? They have over 1,267 protocols, TVL of upwards of $137 billion. They are an absolute massive giant when it comes to the DeFi space. But you got to remember, Ethereum came out long after XRP was already here. XRP had the DEX, the original DEX, launched in 2012. The only reason XRP is not as big as Ethereum was because it was never marketed the way that Ethereum was. But now things are starting to change. And what do I mean by that? What I said over here, it's actually happening. XRP has officially taken over the meme coin communities of even the largest chains in the space. People are finally realizing that XRP was the original DEX, or in other words, the king of DeFi. And this is from the Solstice account. And this is an account that has over 165,000 followers. At this point, you either get rugged and lose everything on Solana or take 5 minutes to learn to bridge the XRP and survive. We now have almost everyone flipping on XRP. Even over here, we have, I can't confirm or deny these posts, but you love to see the XRP ledger engagement. And here we actually have, I just put 100K into XRP memes. Thesis, XRP is the third biggest chain and its biggest meme coin is only at 50 million. XRP memes never experienced a run. The meta just started. XRP holders are obviously way more diamond-handed than Solana holders. Just look at the chart. XRP chart showing incredible strength and will outperform soon. It's still quite difficult to bridge and buy. Feels clunky like back in the Ether Delta days. This is good. Many will buy way higher when the first memes hit the exchanges. These memes are all trading as XRP pairs. They will go up versus XRP, and XRP goes up versus USD. Mucho pump. There is an argument to be made that XRP itself is in fact the biggest meme coin, which again, this is a controversial take, but it is what it is. The wealth effect and holding strength of the XRP army will send these coins to the moon. As I am otherwise all in on the AI meta on Solana, this is a good hedge in a completely uncorrelated sector. Begs from big to small, and he does outline a lot of these meme coins, but it's just crazy that we are now seeing almost everyone flipping. Here we have, other individuals that are being, quoted here. I think with Brad Garlinghouse meeting with Trump and XRP having the all-American crypto narrative, the top meme coin on the XRP ledger will likely get exchange listings and be more PvE than any Solana meme. Again, Solana players are now flipping. We also have down here, again, comparisons of all of the legitimate big players in the space, even Ethereum memes as well. Now XRP memes are in the discussion as well. Big influencers. This is Satoshi Flipper, 223,000 plus followers talking about XRP memes. I mean, everyone can't stop talking about XRP now, and it's only a matter of time. Like here we have an Elon Musk parody account, over 267,000 plus followers talking about XRP memes. I mean, this is insane. This is absolutely insane, and this is something that we have been waiting, to see happen. And the main reason for all of this is the fact that people are now realizing the efficiencies of XRP compared to Ethereum, compared to Solana, compared to Bitcoin. I mean, even if you look at the facts here in terms of the benefits, how fast it is, how the low cost it is, scalable, all that stuff, compared to even Solana, it's night and day. I get that Solana has, a massive amount of scalability and things like that, but Solana constantly goes down. In fact, I made a post, this goes back like a few months ago now, when like meme coins were going crazy on Solana. Guys, transactions were failing constantly. To transact on Solana, it is an absolute nightmare. I hate to break it to, go ahead and try it. Go download, Phantom, or just go download any wallet and try to transact on Solana. Go transact on Bitcoin. Go transact on Ethereum. Okay, now transact on the XRPL. It is a night and day difference. This is why everyone is now flipping here. And it's crazy? If you go to xpmarket.com, you could see how much growth is here. Look at week 1 of 2025, just week 1. The market cap of the tokens on the XRPL are over $324.7 million worth. The total volume in terms of week 1 was over 129 million. That's as much as going back to like week 48, which is like the beginning or like the middle of December. There is a ton of growth happening here. 5 million trades, almost 40,000 active traders, over 7.8 million trust lines. Guys, the overall XRP ledger right now is experiencing something very significant, and this is very, very bullish. We are now witnessing almost the entire crypto community flipping on Solana, flipping on Ethereum, flipping on all of these large chains to come over to the XRP ledger. And this is because of how efficient it is. This is why I keep saying that these chains, once people start to utilize them and say, wow, this is actually pretty crazy. Like, this is easy to use. This is very fast. It's very cheap. It's very efficient. Once they realize the tech, that's it. It's game over. And that's exactly what's happening now. People are now realizing I could transact on the XRP ledger 10 times more efficiently than almost all of these other chains. And that's why we're seeing such a massive amount of growth around XRP in just like the last couple weeks. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys definitely leave a like, subscribe to notifications on because I'm a free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.